In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically update fields when printing in Word. This feature is particularly useful if you frequently work with documents that have dynamic content, such as tables of contents, cross-references, or links to external data. By setting your Word document to update fields before printing, you ensure that all such content is as up-to-date as possible, creating a more accurate and professional-looking output. Let's get started by navigating to Word's File menu. This can be found at the top left corner of your Word window. Once you're in the File menu, look for the Options tab near the bottom of the list. Selecting Options will open a new window with several categories on the left-hand side. It's under these categories that you'll make the adjustments needed for your document. Next, you'll want to focus on the Display category. In some versions of Word, you might need to select Advanced and then find Display nestled within. Both options will take you to where you need to be. The Display section is filled with different settings that control how your document looks on screen and how it behaves when printed. It's here that you can toggle various options to suit your needs. Now, let's focus our attention on the printing options. Under this heading, you'll find a checkbox labeled Update Fields Before Printing. You'll want to make sure this box is checked. By doing so, you're instructing Word to refresh any dynamic content within your document so it reflects the most current information each time you print. This is particularly beneficial for documents that frequently change, as it reduces the effort on your part to manually refresh fields each time you hit print. For those who often include linked data, such as Excel tables embedded in your Word document, there are additional steps to take. Scan the options for a similar setting related to linked data, which might have slightly different wording like Update Linked Data Before Printing. Enabling this option ensures that any external content linked to your document is also updated with the most recent data. This step ensures consistency, particularly when you're working on reports or documents that rely heavily on external data sources. Once you've made these selections, the final step is simple. Click OK. This action saves your preferences and closes the options window. With these settings now in place, every time you go to print or even preview a document for printing, Word will ensure all fields and any linked data are automatically updated. This little tweak saves time and helps you avoid potential discrepancies in your printed materials. And there you have it. With just a few adjustments, you've configured Word to automatically update fields prior to printing, simplifying your workflow and ensuring the accuracy of your printouts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Word document management.